In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons why social media managers fail. It's actually a really sad thing. I'm going to share with you these 5 reasons, and number 5 is actually quite surprising. Let's cue that intro and get this episode going. While it's going, comment below and let me know. What do you do as a social media manager? Tell me about your clients in the comments below. Hey everybody, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I am a social media manager and strategist. I have specifically earned 7 figures from working with clients in done-for-you work. I'm also a mom of 3, and I want to share with you today 5 of the major reasons why I see most social media managers fail. There's some tough love incoming, so if you can't handle it, you might want to click off. Number 1, not generating leads daily. There's actually an amazing book called Fanatical Prospecting by Jeb Blount. One of the crazy things that I see a lot of social media managers and freelancers as a whole doing is not actively generating leads, not nearly enough. In fact, while your pipeline is full, you should still be actively generating leads and getting visible. When your pipeline is empty, you should definitely be considering yourself your own client and generating leads, looking for opportunities, getting people on calls, making active cold pitches. Yes, cold pitches. If you're not generating leads, I can tell you already what's going to happen. Your business is going to dry up. Generating leads is an important facet of any business, but especially for freelancers or agencies, it is so important that we are actively marketing ourselves to make sure that we never run out of clients. Social media mistake number 2, not charging enough money. Believe it or not, but you can actually set yourself up in a cycle of failure by not charging enough money. One of the reasons for this is not charging enough can lead to not being able to hire, not delivering your best work, not having enough time. Believe it or not, you charging more money is an act of self-care. It says that you value what you're worth, and also it creates a cycle where your clients value you more, but also it's a way that you can deliver your best services to clients by setting yourself up for success. Social media mistake number 3, not improving skill sets. Now, I would think that this was a given, but yet I still see people who are still providing the exact same level of work year in and year out. But especially when you're a service provider or a freelancer, your work should be ever evolving. You don't want your first client's work to be the same as your 100th client's work. Every single time, consider the lessons that you can learn, discover where the challenges are, dive into the mistakes. I actually see mistakes as an opportunity to learn new skills. For example, years ago, I was working with a client in the natural foods market, and she wanted me to run Facebook ads. I was super intimidated by running Facebook ads because I didn't have a track record of conversion. Well, a few months later, I lost that client. And in that moment, I made the decision that I was going to learn Facebook ads and really learn them well to the point where I could get conversions. A few years later, we've managed millions of dollars worth of ad spend for our clients, and I myself have spent $500,000 on ads. Yes, we absolutely have a track record for conversion, but that wouldn't have happened if I hadn't committed to up-leveling my skill set continually. You can do this through YouTube videos, blogs, books, courses, coaching, mentorship, all of the above, or even apprenticing with someone who is more talented than you. Mistake number 4 that I see social media managers make that sets them up to fail, not working with the right clients. Now, believe it or not, but finding dreamy clients that honor who you are, the way that you want to work, your business by design, it is kind of like dating. As crazy as that sounds, you don't want everyone to be the right fit when you're dating. So wouldn't the same thing be true when you're looking for your dream clients? The truth is, not every client is going to be a good fit. Some people are gonna say, I don't like the way that you communicate, or your prices are too high, or your prices are too low, and I don't take you seriously. That is fine. Not every client is going to be a good fit, but one of the great ways that you can decide before you even hop on a strategy call with someone is to have an application in place so you can see if they're a good fit or not. You can ask questions like, what is your monthly or annual revenue? What is your website? Tell me a little bit about your goals. And that way you can make sure you're only hopping on calls with people who are qualified and ready to take action with you. Mistake number 5 that I see social media managers make all the time. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and let me know. So far, does any of this sound like you? Don't you worry, I've got some really awesome and easy solutions for you in just a moment. But social media manager mistake number 5 that I see is not creating belief. What I mean by that is belief isn't something that you just wake up with suddenly one day and you're like, oh, this is awesome. Belief isn't something that's like a balloon floating in your office that, oh, wow, I found belief. This is awesome. Belief is a choice, and belief in some extent can be binary. Either you believe or you don't. One of the best things that you can do is make the decision to believe in yourself, even if nobody else does yet. One of the ways that I love to make sure that my belief is rock solid before I go on strategy calls, before I talk to my clients, is I go on YouTube and I search for success affirmations. I search for self-love affirmations. I search for affirmations that create the reality that I want to see in my business and with my clients. Doxy is a great one on YouTube, but I also have some other strategies for you guys. If you want to check out in the bio beneath this video, I put together several amazing resources that will support you and keep you from being in a trap, just like these 5 big mistakes that I mentioned in this video. Comment below and let me know if this has been helpful for you, and if you like learning about marketing, business, entrepreneurship, and or mindset. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a single one. I'll catch you later. There's actually a really fascinating book called what's it called? Are we having fun? Are we having fun yet? Your work should be an ever-evolving piece. That doesn't make sense.